Today we're going to do power steering on the Project Chevelle. You know, right now the thing as it sits is a plain Jane strippo car with no power steering or power brakes or anything. You can drive it, it's sort of okay, but the ratio is super duper slow and it's a pain to do any kind of performance driving at all. So what did we pick out here exactly?
Out of the muscle car catalog, we got all OEM replacement type parts, original style power steering pump, pulleys. This one actually is a 3-groove pulley because our original pulley was just one single groove since there was no power steering on the car. And all the original brackets and replacement style box and hoses. So it really should look just like it came from the factory with power steering.
You know, we could sell all fancy billet whiz-bang stuff to put on it, but it doesn't really fit the vibe that we're going for with this car. You know, this, when it's done, will kind of look like the car came from the factory with power steering. So I guess that's where we're headed.
Yep.
You ready to get started?
I'm ready.
You're talking about the capsule nut on the pit nut?
Yeah. So here at Speedway, we also have all the accessories that you're going to need in order to install all of this stuff. Here's an OEM style power steering cap that fits perfect on this original type pump. And like we talked about earlier, we've got an original style pulley that'll fit right on here. And then we've even got the nut to hold the pulley on there. So this whole deal should fit perfect on the Chevelle.
Power steering install is done. Car drives way better now. It's way easier to drive. You know, the original owner, that was one of his problems with it, is it was kind of a wrestling match just to drive it around. So we've got that job done. I think the next thing on the list is going to be some drop spindles, get the front end down where it should be, and disc brakes. So stay tuned.